So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions.
Hello, this is Derek with Weingartz, and today we are going over the Toro Titan zero-turn mower operations. Before starting the mower, we're going to go over a few visual checks. First, check the fuel level and add fresh gas if needed. Next, check the oil level and add oil if low. Inspect all tires for proper air pressure, and also clean any debris from the mower deck. And also be sure to check the blades for any damage or excessive wear. Now that we've gone over our visual checks, let's go over a few safety reminders before starting the mower. Always be sure to have proper ear and eye protection. There are never any passengers allowed. Always be cautious on hills and avoid steep inclines. Always be sure to check all surroundings before starting the mower blades. And always be sure to turn the mower blades off before getting off the mower. This mower is equipped with a Toro MyRide suspension system, which gives you the ability to adjust the suspension based on your terrain. Before starting the mower, let's set the mower deck to the height we wish to cut at. First, you can push in the foot pedal assist all the way, and that's going to set the deck to the transport height. Now you can drop the pin into the height you wish to cut at. Push that foot pedal assist back in, and then push up on the deck lock so that the deck drops to the height you wish to cut. Now we're ready to start the mower. First, you want to make sure the control levers are in the outward parked position. Make sure the yellow PTO switch is in the off position. Put the throttle to about the midway point, and fully engage the choke. Now you can turn the key until the mower starts. Now that the mower is started, you slowly release the choke lever. When you want to turn on the blades, you want to be sure to fully engage the throttle. Before engaging the blades, let's go over the operations of the control levers. So once you pull them in, you're in the neutral position, and once you start to move the control levers, you'll start to move. So to move forward at a straight, even line, you want to push both levers outward evenly. Same thing to go in reverse. You want to pull both levers backwards towards you evenly. Each control lever powers each wheel. So if I were to push this right control lever outward, that would make the right wheel to start to turn, which then we would turn to the left. And same thing. If I push this left lever, we're going to turn to the right. When you're ready to start mowing, always be sure to fully engage the throttle. Now you can turn that yellow PTO switch up into the on position. And once you finish mowing, always be sure to turn that yellow PTO switch into the off position. Once you're ready to turn off the mower, turn the throttle down at least to the halfway point and turn the key to the off position. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website at www.weingartz.com or feel free to stop by any of our store locations. Thank you and have a great day.